having a problem with my Samsung dryer. It's making a loud noise in the drum, and it was working fine, but I think from when I moved it, it caused a problem. I found this set on the side of the road. The only problem was I knocked on the door and asked the guy. He said that the washer was not draining. So I replaced the drain pump in the washer, and it's been running fine for a couple of days, but now all of a sudden the dryer's starting to make a loud noise, and I'm gonna start it up for you, let you hear it. It's pretty neat. It's got this little screen. I've never had a set like this before. It's nicer than any set I've ever had, but you hear that, it's making a really loud grinding sound. Well, I looked it up online, watched a couple videos, and every video it shows them almost completely disassembling the dryer to get to, I forgot what they're called, but they're these wheels that the drum actually turns on. Well, I was watching the video, and I just wanted to show this, that all right, sorry about the pause there. I had to get my light. But I just wanted to show that you don't have to actually take it all the way apart to get to the rear, to the drums on the back here. I took this panel off, and if you don't have this drawer on the bottom, it's actually, this would be on the floor level. And just a couple screws, and right there is where the discharge comes out. And if you, one of the wheels is going to be right there. So all you got to do is get on the back of here, on the back of the wheels, get one wrench, and on the front it's a 8mm. I think the back was a 15mm. But anyway, and the other wheel is right around this area, so you can actually get to it without taking the whole thing apart. Well, I looked back there, and I found my wheel sitting there. The center, the race or whatever you call this in the middle was out, so I took my vise and I pressed it back in, and now I'm just gonna set it back on to the shaft. Here's the locking nut, or the thing that holds it on. And so I just wanted to make this video to show that you don't have to take it all the way apart. I might still end up having to buy this, but hopefully I can repair it without having to go. Hopefully this will fix it and I won't have to go buy another one. So this is a Samsung dryer, and just wanted to show you that you don't have to take it all the way apart. You can actually access it from the back, which is really nice. So it's totally accessible. Both of them are totally accessible. One's up here, one's right here from the back, and it's just an easier repair. All right, so I was able to put that wheel in. It only took a couple of minutes to slide that thing back on there. I'm gonna turn this thing on and see if it fixed it. And what I'll do is I'll put a link in to, the videos of if you need to take it all the way apart. But I believe you can access it from the back and be just fine. There it goes. It's running okay. But it's running a whole lot better. It's not making that grinding noise anymore. So I still might go ahead and order a couple of wheels. But looks to be workable now, so I can tell my wife she can finish the laundry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for the Something Out of Nothing channel, where just try to show you that you don't have to spend money